the ultimate guide to ruining your home sale. Selling your home? Be careful. It's easier than you think to mess it all up. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make sure that your house never sells, ever. Or we could do the opposite and get your home sold fast. So let's go. Giving buyers an authentic living experience. Selling your home? Don't bother to tidy up. Buyers love to see how you really live. Leave dirty dishes in the sink. Laundry? Just leave it scattered around. Nothing says welcome home like a pile of mismatched socks. And let's not forget the bathroom. Why put the toilet seat down when buyers can experience the full ambiance? Or, you could clean up. First impressions really do matter. Unless you're selling a house as is, and by as is, I mean as is a disaster. Step number 2, the minimal effort home prep. Buyers love a challenge, so leave the pile of unfolded laundry on the couch. Let the dog leave the chew toy collection in every room, and that weird mystery stain on the kitchen counter, just throw a decorative napkin over it. Buyers enjoy a good puzzle. Or you could actually clean and make your house look more inviting. Just a thought. Step number 3, pick an emotional price. What's your home worth? Doesn't matter. What matters is what you feel it's worth. You watched a video on YouTube about real estate once, so you're basically an expert. Your neighbor sold his house for $500,000, so yours must be worth $750,000. And let's not forget I need this much money for my next house, which is exactly how pricing doesn't work. Want buyers to laugh at your listing price? Price it based on feelings. Want buyers to actually make an offer? Price it based on market value. Step number 4, host the most awkward showings possible. Buyers are walking through your home, perfect time to stay home. Follow them around from room to room like a tour guide who wasn't invited. Give dramatic backstories on every single little thing. This is where my cat had her first birthday. Bonus points if you cook a strong smelling meal right before the showing. Nothing seals the deal like a fresh cooked salmon or a burnt popcorn. Or you could just leave and let them explore without the awkward eye contact. Step number 5, master the art of negotiation chaos. Someone makes an offer? Ignore it for a couple of days, maybe weeks. Keep them guessing. Be sure to get personally offended by everything they ask for. And if they want repairs, tell them the house was perfect for me, so it should be perfect for you as well. Or hear me out, just be reasonable and close the deal. And there you have it, the perfect guide to making sure your house never sells. But if you'd rather, actually sell it, call me, and I promise I won't let you make these mistakes. Oh, and if you happen to make salmon the night before showing, light a candle and open a window.